Good evening, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. And myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 years experience. 15 years experience as a trainer. As a trainer, I have 15 years of experience is there. Okay. In our DurgaSoft, almost from the last 3 years, I am working, and that's all about myself and introduction. Sir, coming to this course, you know very well, this course is nothing but what? Logic based programming. Logic based programming, we will call it as LBP, logic based programming. And this is 14th batch, sir. So I will give the title of this course as LBP 14. Okay, 14th batch. So these many batches we have completed. 13 batches successfully we completed, sir. Okay, you can imagine. So how much content we are going to cover and how beautiful these sessions will be. Next, and after that, sir, here the duration of this batch is, as it is a weekend batch, we are going to complete these within 5 weekends. 5 weekends we are going to cover. And coming to the timings of this session, so it will be there from 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. it will be there. Okay, so sometimes we will take up to 9:45. Meanwhile, break will be there, sir. Don't worry at all. Okay, next, sir, demos. How many demos we are going to take here? Only two demos will be there. Today and tomorrow, demo classes will be there. From next week onwards, the regular classes are going to be started. Okay, so next week onwards, the regular classes are going to be started. So next, and after that, what is the fees for this batch? The fees for this batch is rupees 2,500. Okay, so including these videos plus live classes. Okay, live classes plus running notes. These things will be there, and these videos will be given for you for 6 months access. It is not lifetime access. Only 6 months you are going to get. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Next term, sir, what is the main intention of this course? I know already I explained very clearly from the title itself. I think majority of you are my old students only. Sir, you can see here, here we are going to mainly focusing on coding. Okay, like how to prepare the programs, how we can able to write the programs. So such a type of things we are going to cover here. Okay, sir, here we are going to implement 350 plus programs. Okay, sir, what languages? What languages you are going to take? Very simple. These 350 programs will be covered in C language and in Java and in Python. Okay, you can see 350 programs into, in every program, three languages. You can imagine approximately it will be 1,000 plus programs we are going to practice with your own hands, and I will explain every program by typing, by using some hacker rank URL. We are going to use some hacker rank website is there. So we customized some links. So by using that link, we are going to practice. Anyway, I will give you that link, okay, for the demo classes. And once if our regular classes started, we will start with permanent link. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, what is the syllabus? How many programs we are going to cover? In the sense, you can see, so the complete list of programs is there. The complete list of around 350 programs. Every program, topic wise programs are there. Okay, so you can see the first few programs so will be on basics. The first few programs will be on basics, like how to perform addition of two numbers. From that, so previously asked interview programs, like up to certain level we are going to cover the basics. So after that, how you can able to prepare by using if conditions. If conditions, looping based programs will be there. Next and after that, array based programs will be there. Okay, next and after that, matrix related programs. You can see almost 50 programs we are going to see purely on matrices. How to read a matrix, how you can able to print the matrix, what are the various applications on the matrix, like around, so 50 programs we are going to cover on matrices. Then strings. Okay, and previously asked interview questions also will be there in this. Okay, that means previously asked coding questions will be there. This is nothing but what is our plan for these 5 weekends. Today is the demo session, so tomorrow is also demo session. I will take some random programs and I will explain, and from the next week onwards our regular classes will be there. Okay, so I think I have given the complete information about this course and what syllabus we are going to cover and everything. So can you please confirm, do you have any doubts in this? You can ask here and you can rectify your doubts. Please confirm any doubts up to this, whatever I covered.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I know only Python at this moment.
Okay.
Okay, so is it sufficient to begin? Because I don't know C and Java.
No problem, sir. No problem. If you don't know other programming languages also, no worries. If you should be perfect in any one of the programming language among these three, then it is sufficient. So after completion of this course, you will get idea in the remaining programming languages also.
Okay, suppose say if I go through this program or
Hmm.
course, is Java is going to be help me to learn very easily?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. But it will be completely related to the programming domain. Okay, but if you want to learn in detail in theory part and some, if you can see these are high level programming languages. So
Mhm.
object oriented programs won't be covered here. Okay, if you want to learn object oriented, compulsory you need to take the Java course. But
Oh,
programming wise, all these languages are having similar syntaxes that you can able to differentiate and you can. Got it?
okay. So this course is mainly to
Improve your coding skills.
okay, okay, okay,
So
okay.
see, I'm going to explain today some 5 programs or 10 programs if I explain today. So you
Mhm.
have to take some time and you need to practice all these programs.
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
then you will get clarity. So because it is a completely practice oriented, sir. Okay. Anyway,
okay,
I will demonstrate every program. But apart
okay.
from that, if similar programs are coming, you need to practice manually. Got
So
it?
you are going to give assessments something. I mean, you are going to
Yeah.
give assignment.
No, not like assignment. See, suppose we are going to cover 350 programs like that I told, right? So in the
Mhm.
initial, for example, if today is the original class, means suppose consider I uploaded the programs. I'm going to explain these programs like 26 to some 46, 45 like that. If I'm trying to explain, then I'm going to upload additionally some few more programs. Before coming to the next class, you can practice this. Are you getting my point?
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So,
That is.
but while we are doing projects and all, right?
Hmm.
See, these things won't come into picture.
Definitely it will come. Definitely it
Okay,
will come. That
okay.
is the reason why we have this much popularity for this coding classes. So why? Because very simple, sir. In the projects, we will concentrate only on the theory part up to certain limit. But
Mm,
for example, if you take object-oriented principles, we are going to put so many methods in your classes. But
okay,
for those methods, sometimes you need to prepare the business logic also, right? For
correct.
example, if you take a student related project, if you are developing, so calculating the student percentages and working with that student data is a very common requirement. In such
Mm-hmm.
cases, we have to prepare business logic. How it will
Okay,
be? Suppose consider there is one project like based on the current market value of the project, I need to increase the salary of the employees. Based on
okay,
various parameters I want to implement. There you have to think and you have to prepare the logic. Such a type of
okay,
things will come here.
okay, okay. So that this will also help for us to crack the interviews. Like generally they give
Definitely,
programs, right?
definitely, sir, definitely. Because in every MNC companies, whenever you are attending,
Uh-huh.
so they are going to give some coding questions. So, for
Okay,
example, arithmetic, reasoning, like communication skills. These questions will be there at very first level. So the next level will be immediately coding round. Means what? They are going to give some 3 or 4 questions. So they will give some time period, like you need to solve this within 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So everything is an online. So you have to sit in front of system, and that microphone will be switched on, and video recording will be there. So you can't see from other tabs, or you can't open any other mobile or browsers. So you have to do this by yourself. So that is a very, very essential. Even if you miss a small logical part also, you can't able to complete that program. So that awareness we are providing from here, sir.
Okay, okay, got it. See, the reason I am asking is, see, though I learned Java, Python,
Mm,
but since I couldn't practice, I didn't get logic-based programmings like this. See, so now it is not there in my mind because I have not practiced all these things. So
mm.
what I'm hoping is, at least if I follow this course, so that I can retrieve all those Java, Python into my mind, so that I can
Yeah,
continue.
definitely, definitely, sir. Definitely, it will be helpful.
Okay.
Right.
And is
Uh,
this 5 weekends is sufficient? I mean, 5 weekends?
maybe extra one weekend will be there, sir. Initially, we will go very slowly, sir,
Okay.
because understanding the concept. See, if I am explaining
Uh-huh.
5 programs on while loop, that will be sufficient to crack remaining 15 programs, right?
Correct.
Yes, that's what we are doing here. So it is a technique of trainer. See, if I'm explaining arrays concept, so if I explain 5 programs, similar kind of programs will be there that I will complete at a stretch. So that is the benefit of this time duration. Got it?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Hi, I have one doubt actually.
Yeah, you can.
So, what is the level of this program? Is intermediate or hard? Because
Uh,
currently
sir,
I am working.
yeah, I know, sir. It is up to 60% you can expect, sir. Okay. So not that much hard. We are going to start from the very low level, and we will reach up to intermediate level.
Okay. Yeah,
I
actually,
can. Mm.
yeah, yeah. Because I'm working for one of the firm, IT firm, and I'm having a 6+ years experience already.
Okay.
So I am just preparing for the product based company. So
Okay.
the yeah. So the
Yeah,
kind
yes,
of
sir. Definitely. See, anything you have to start from the scratch only, right?
right.
So after completion of these things, you will get awareness. So maybe after completion of this course, you can take the assignments from Lead Code or Hacker Rank or Hacker Earth. You will get an idea how you can able to solve that. So that kind of benefit you will get it from this. Got it?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, just one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Fine to ask you.
Yeah, you can ask.
Uh, Sir, let's say that if we consider any program, so
Mm.
are you going to show it in all the 3 languages?
Yes, I'm going to explain with the live execution. I will show you every program, sir. Already I uploaded some test cases and a problem statement. Just I will write the code. Whether it is passing all the test cases or not, I will explain. Don't worry, I will show you demo today only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Mm. And some questions are there in the chat window. Sarji, it will be beneficial for job. Definitely, sir. The people who are there in this session, those who are studying final year and pre-final year, sir, blindly you can register. Maybe you can treat it as a 5 movies ticket. So if you stop watching 5 movies, okay, not that much hit movies, just intermediate movies. If you ignore, then you can spend that money for these classes. Okay, definitely it will be helpful user. Okay, definitely it will be very helpful for you, especially the students who are studying final year and pre-final year. Okay, so do you know when you are studying the final year? Okay, one second. When you are studying final year, what will happen? The company people are going to come to select you people, right? So in such cases, they will ask you some coding questions. All right, can you please write a prime number logic? Okay, can you write in a different methodology? So, or they will give some twisted questions. So sometimes you need to answer those questions. So for that, definitely this course will be helpful. Okay. And sir, is 5 weekend means only 10 days. Yes, 5 into 2, 10 days. In every day, we are going to cover the program. Sometimes up to basic level, sometimes moderate, like that we are going to cover. That plan I have, don't worry. Maybe if it is extended 1 week, no worries. 6 weekends we will wait. Okay, that is not at all a matter.
Sir, can you possible to class with 7:20 to 7:15 started time?
No, generally it will be started at 7:10, 7:15, like that only, sir, because you know, right?
Okay.
7 o'clock means no one is going to join exactly at 7 o'clock. It takes some time, 5 to 10 minutes delay
Okay.
will be there. Okay, so try to attend at least by 7:10. And one more thing, suppose if you are unable to attend the classes, no problem, get registered, and whenever you have a time you can attend. Remaining thing, you can watch the videos. Definitely this course is going to be helpful at least in your life once.
Sir, videos are recorded or like only DurgaSoft app?
No. These videos we are going to share by using Google Drive. You can't download, just you can able to watch.
Okay.
Got it?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so every day we are going to take minimum 2.5 hours, maximum 3 hours. So you can fix this slot 7 to 10, 3 hours. Please fix the slot. In between, break will be there. Minimum 2 to 3 breaks I will give, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like that. Slowly, by enjoying the classes, you have to learn. Then it will be very good for you. Okay. Hard questions won't be there. Some questions will be tricky. Once if you complete this, then you can able to solve any kind of program. That confident you will get it. Okay, right. So the people who are willing to continue, just in the chart window I have given the complete details of our payment details. Just you can take a screenshot of that. Anyway, you can pay in the next week. Those who are willing to continue, you can pay immediately. Remaining people, you can pay in the next week. But next Saturday we'll be having original class. Sir, if everyone is okay, no, all the doubts got clarified, I will start. Can I start? Please confirm.
Sir, sorry, one last question, sir.
Yeah.
So this 2.5 hour, we will also exercise, right? It is not just you go through it. So we will also exercise so that we will also learn, right?
You can keep your laptop and you can do parallel, but myself is going to take the class continuously.
Okay.
So when you are coming to the next class, what problems I'm going to explain in the next class, I will post in the hacker rank, so that while
Okay.
coming to the next class you can get prepared. So you can give suggestions while I'm doing the program. Sir, you can do in this way, this will be very shortcut for that, like that you can give inputs to me.
Okay.
If your logic is efficient when compared with my logic, I will update that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, which
Got it?
language
I
are
don't
you
think that will happen.
Sir, sir, which language are you using this class? Python or Java or C?
All the languages, Python, Java, C, in 3 languages we are implementing.
Okay. Sir, I'm not an expert in coding, but I
After
had
completion of these classes, at least 30 to 40% you can able to code. That confident I can give, if you attend properly.
okay.
Okay. Weekly, how many hours? 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 5 hours will be there per week.
Sir, because sir, as a developer, sir, first interview round is totally based on coding.
Yes.
If you crack the coding round, then you will go to next round, like manager or something.
That's what I told. It will be very useful for the persons who are attending for the interview and the persons who are shifting to the product based companies, like that. Nagendra asking, sir, mostly the company is going to ask DSA questions. Yes. But at the very beginning, if you are sitting with a stack based program, is it going to work out? Definitely no. First, you know the fundamentals, how you are going to solve the problem. Okay, so how you can able to solve business logics like that. If you think, then we have another course is there in our DURGASOFT itself, like data structures and algorithms, either with Java or with Python, any programming language you can suggest. Sir, there we are going to cover all the things. Like around 26 chapters are there. Like algorithms means what? So how you can calculate the complexity, how to write down the sample algorithms, how to work with arrays, programs on arrays, programs on matrices, like how to perform CRUD operations, like modification on arrays predefined class, how to do the rotations of arrays, string data structure, what are the programs, different logics on strings, recursion, how you can solve the recursion based problems, backtracking means what, how to solve Sudoku, n-queens problem, dynamic programming, sorting techniques, divide and conquer, searching techniques, linked list. So stack data structure, you can see almost all the operations. So queue data structure, hash table, tree data structure, priority queue, graph data structure, greedy algorithms, bit manipulations. Like that, these are nothing but related to the data structures. So everyone should be perfect in their programming language. First point, you should know how to solve any real-time problem. If any new problem is coming to you, how you can able to solve that idea you should get. Then if you are good with these two, then go to data structures. If you are perfect in these three, then no one is going to disturb you. Definitely you are going to reach the heights. Got it?
Sir, how to build logic in any
That is
programming
the reason
language?
why you joined into this course. After completion of this, you won't ask this question.
Okay.
Yeah, when DSA is going to start, I will inform you, Nagendra. In our website, we will post, and I will give the complete information. Previous DSA batch was, we started with initial price 1000. Maybe it is going to increase for the next batch. Around 1500 or 2000 it will be there. And August
So
last week
what
we
is
are
that you
going
said?
to
DSA, data
data,
structure.
yeah, data structures and algorithms.
So there is a separate course for that one as well.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, logic based thing in data structure. That's what you
No,
are.
no, 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 no. Logic based is different. Data structures is different. Data structures, we are going to explain the various data structures, and suppose sometimes the problem needs data structure. Okay, suppose consider you are developing a system where the user requests are coming to your system, and you have to handle the request based on the priority. Then what we have to do, you need to use one data structure in your implementation. For that knowledge, we are going to take data structures also. This concept is different from that one. Here we are going to learn coding. There, along with the programming language, we are going to learn the concept of data structures. Got it?
Okay, data structure, it can be in Java or it can be Python also, right?
Yes, yes. Data structures is a concept.
Oh, you are teacher. The concept
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be teach. Okay,
Yes,
not
yes, yes.
okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So what is the
DS,
fees of
DS,
DSA?
DSA fees as of now, it is 1000 rupees, madam, for the last batch. But maybe we are going to increase with 500 or 1000 rupees. So
Okay,
maybe it will be 1.5 or 2000. And a new batch will be started maybe in the 3rd week or 4th week of August. I can't give the exact date, but it will be started on the daily basis.
thank you, sir.
Right.
Sir, is the data structure class also taken by from your end?
Yeah, I am also taking.
Okay.
Right. Mm,
That you are showing the that data structure only contents, no?
yeah,
That
no, no,
time.
no. Here it is different, sir. Just for one student asked a DSA related question. That's why I have shown the syllabus. But that is different from coding.
No, I'm asking data structures batch. for data structure batch, that content is there, no?
Already I have shown, right? This is the content. Around 25 chapters are there.
Okay, looks good. Okay. When will start? Around August?
August 3rd week or 4th week.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, just for the curiosity, is it possible to share this syllabus also for us?
Don't worry. Do one thing. So tomorrow I will upload this in our what you can say website. Okay.
Okay,
You
okay,
can get it. I will share the link tomorrow. Just remind me in the tomorrow session. I will share this. Okay.
okay. This seems to be very interesting, sir.
Yeah. So
S-
first
Sorry, sir.
priority you have to. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry, sir. I joined late actually. Just
Hmm.
wanted to know this batch is for data logic building or for data
No.
the
Only logic based. Only logic based. Some students are
logic
asking about
based.
DSA, sir. That's what I'm explaining.
Okay, fine. So I just wanted to know, is it going to be daily basis or weekend logic building batch?
Logic based building is weekend batch only.
Weekend. And what will be its timing, sir?
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock to 9:30, 10. You
Oh,
free your slot from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
you mean to say 3 hours Saturday, Sunday, right?
Yes, Saturday 3 hours, Sunday 3 hours.
And it is on evening or morning batch?
Evening. Same
Evening.
timings.
Okay, fine, sir. And what about the Java class? Not this one, core Java class.
Core Java class is already going, right?
Oh, is it
You are
already
already my
going?
student.
Okay. I'm your DSA Python student actually, not for
Okay.
Java. Yeah.
Okay. You need Java classes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, Java classes is there at 8 o'clock actually. So 1 week back we started actually this catch. Okay, 1 week back we started. But tomorrow not tomorrow, Monday we have a batch at 7 p.m. Okay.
Okay, so daily on
So
7 p.m. basis, right?
no. This batch I'm going to take whatever concepts we covered for 8 o'clock. That concept I will cover for 1 week and it will be combined. It will be combined with 8 p.m. batch.
Okay,
Got it?
in the next week.
Yes, next week it will be from 7 to 8 o'clock. That is from Monday, 7th August
Okay.
to 13th August. It will be there from 7 to 8. But from
Okay,
the
sir.
14th August onwards, it will be combined with 8 o'clock.
8 p.m., sir. And sir, what about the DSA with Java? And what
DSA
is
with
its
Java is not yet started, sir. It will take some time, around 2 weeks it will take. Maybe in the 3rd week we are going to start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Right.
Sir, sorry to ask you the same question. For DSA, is Java is mandatory or since I know Python, I
Yeah,
can still make it.
compulsory Java is mandatory. At least some 20 to 30% Java knowledge you should have. Then only you can able to understand. Because there I'm not explaining the Java. I'm going with directly concepts.
No, but that concept is there in Python also, right?
Yes, Python with DSA is also there, same syllabus. But the language is going to change.
Okay, but that means you have two courses, data structure with Python.
Data structures with Python is there, data structures with Java is there, data structures with C is also there.
Oh, okay. So data structure with Python, any idea? Is it going to happen or not?
Oh, no, sir. As of now, there is no idea because recently we started that DSA with Python at morning 11 o'clock.
When
So
was
it is
it?
almost 3 weeks completed, sir.
Oh, sure, too far. Okay.
Yeah. Almost it is at 1 second. I will show you the syllabus. Yeah, almost we are at linked list. We completed single linked list today only. So almost rest of the topics are this one only. So 10 chapters we completed.
Okay. In a regular Python course, we don't cover up these topics, right?
Definitely we want to cover. The reason for that is I told already, right? Language is different from the data structure. If you include the data structure in the language, so you people won't understand very clearly. That's why separate concepts are there. Data structures is independent and data structure we can implement by using any programming language. That's why it is It's differentiated from language, sir. That's why we want to cover that in our regular syllabus.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how many questions will be there on DSA?
3, sir. DSA with Java, DSA with Python, DSA with C.
Many note language, how many questions in DSA?
Questions are, no, we are not going to solve any problems in the DSA. We will implement various some for every data structure around some 4 to 5 applications we will develop. Very common and fundamental applications.
So
Sir, but
there will be no questions, sir.
No, no, no. You have to do, sir. Everything we won't teach, right? See, if you take single linked list, you can see around some 24 to 25 operations I'm going to perform. So based on if you are very clear with these operations, if tomorrow if anyone is asking the question newly on linked list, you can able to solve because the knowledge you will get from these operations. Got it?
If sir, then if I will not able to solve a question, so
No, 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 sir. That's what I'm telling, sir. We won't bring all the DSA problems here. We will provide the fundamental and how you can able to solve any problem. That guidance we will provide. We won't take any real-time problem and we won't solve because every day new problems are coming, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
that's what.
my understanding was if I go through normal Python programming and maybe this logic-based programming, so we are expert in Python. But what you are mentioning is we
Sir,
need to have
my sincere suggestion for everyone is first try to learn any language. Okay. Programming language. Try to learn any programming language. First step. After this, you can go for coding skills. If you want to learn coding skills, if you want to improve your coding skills, so then you have to go for logic-based programming, whatever we are covering now. So after this, better to go with the DSA. DSA with your favorite programming language, whether it may be Python or it may be Java. Don't hurry for the Java. So if I'm starting Java, maybe immediately after 1 week or 2 weeks, we will start with Python also. Okay. In which programming language you are very convenient, try to learn because Java with DSA, DSA with Java, DSA with Python, syllabus is the same. The only implementations are going to change. I will write the code in Java. Suppose if you take merge sort is there, I will implement merge sort operation in Python, in DSA with Python course. I will implement in Java. So by using DSA with Java, that's all. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. Sir, please ignore this DSA. We will see later. Okay, in our regular sessions, I will explain. So as of now, it is completely deviating. Okay. Yeah, fees for DSA will be around 1,500 to 2,000. Yeah. Can I go for sir, I have just started learning Java. Will it make difficult for me to go through? No problem. It is sufficient. Yeah. Sir, can I start? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please. Yes,
Yeah.
please, sir.
Yeah. DSA course duration is 1.5 months. So let us go with this logic-based programming. Sir, here we have 350 programs are there. So in the very beginning, I want to cover continuously because in the very beginning, you are going to have very basic programs. That's why what I'm going to do is I will select the programs randomly. In these 2 days, I will explain 10 programs. Today 5, tomorrow 5. So then once if our regular classes started on the next week, we will have the programs from 1 to continuously we will start. Sir, for doing this, we need some hacker rank link. Okay. So I think majority of you know about the hacker rank, sir. Hacker rank means, so it is nothing but a website. Okay. It is nothing but a website where you can able to practice the programs. So there is one customization is there in that hacker rank. What is that customization is nothing but, do you know? So we can able to, okay, we can able to create our own challenges. So already I have created some challenges in that. Just I am trying to show you how we can able to work on that. Okay, beyond that, nothing is there. Just have a look once. 1 second. 1 second. It is getting loaded. 1 second, sir. The very first program I will explain. Right. So very first program I'm going to explain for you. What is the first program here is, sir, you can able to see welcome message. I think this is the first program in every programming language, right? We are going to see how you are going to print a welcome message. So here also same program we are doing. I want to implement a program to read username. We have to read some name dynamically from the user, and we have to display welcome message on the screen. Okay, what is the input for this program? You have to take username. The data types you have to recognize. It is what type of data? Names will be always a string format. And what is the output? It is going to display welcome message on the screen. Okay, so welcome word you have to take, followed by whatever name that you have given, you need to print. For example, in the input, if I'm giving sir Prakash as the input, then what output we are expecting, sir? Welcome followed by Prakash. If a Prakash Babu is given as a input, what output we are expecting? So welcome Prakash Babu. This is my target. Beyond that, nothing is there. So the concept is we need to read one name from the user. Along with welcome, you have to print that message. That's all, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Can you please confirm, is the problem statement is clear for you people? A small program. Is the problem statement is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So to implement this problem, sir, here I am going to use one hacker rank link. https:// hackerrank.com//lbp test. It is the demo link, sir. Okay, it is the demo link. Once if you open this link, you people are going to get the basic programs. Where you have to open this, go to browser. Okay, go to browser. Here type this command and press enter. Type this URL and press enter. It will bring you to this HackerRank website, sir. Here, the first batch I started this logic-based programming on August 16th, 2021. Okay, so 21 to 22, 22 to 23, almost 2 years successfully we are running. Okay, just I'm going to enter into the contest. Just enter into the contest. Sometimes it will ask for username and password. Just you can connect with your Gmail account. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute while I'm speaking. Mohit. So you can connect with Google, sir, no problem at all. So sometimes if you are unable to log in with your credentials, you can go with your Gmail ID and you can log in. Sir, here you can see challenges will be there. So we are going to see almost some 10 challenges I added here. Sir, current rank. What is my rank? 19th rank. I placed it with 19th rank. So current leaderboard, since it is a demo link, so you can see the persons who are practicing these programs, you can see those links will, those scoreboard will be there here. You can see the leaderboard position and you can test where you are. Sir, my position is this one. My position is this one, 16th rank. So like this, you people are going to get your positions. So parallelly, you can able to check, okay, competitive nature you can able to get from here. This is nothing but a leaderboard position. Okay, and so of course this is not considerable. You can go with new link anyway. Once if our regular class started, I will give a separate link for only our class. There we can compete with each other. Okay, sir, what is the first program code I have given? Program number 001. This is the unique code, sir. So by seeing this code only, you have to open the challenges. Here P001, I am opening this challenge. Sir, challenge page will be opened. How many people submitted the code also will be there. You can rate this challenge. Sir, here you can see problem statement. Those who are submitted, not other people's submission, your submission will be there here. And where is a leaderboard position? So it is going to show. And if there is any discussion for that question, it will be there here. Sir, now what is a problem statement? Implement a program to read username and display welcome message on the console. Sir, what is the input format? Array, you have to read username. Is there any constraint? Constraint means condition. There is no constraint as of now. What is the output format? We have to print the message in the following form. What is the form? Welcome followed by the name what you have given. Okay, so welcome followed by the name what you have given. Sir, now you can see some sample cases are there. If username is admin, your expected output is welcome admin. If username is Prakash, your expected output is welcome Prakash. If your username is Prakash Babu, your expected output is welcome Prakash Babu. Only few test cases are visible for you, not all. Okay, only few test cases are visible to you. So still like this, around some 5 to 6 test cases we have hidden. Okay, we have hidden all the remaining test cases. Sir, why? Because you need to write the program by understanding the concept or the problem statement or the constraint given. Okay, that's why we are going to hide some test cases. Sir, next, what we have to do? You need to implement the program. This is the coding area. You can select either C language. You can see they have given the complete format. We are not required to learn anything. Just you have to fill your code. That's all. Sir, Java skeleton is there. Just you have to write. Sir, Python is all rounder, right? It is going to support scripting level programming. It is going to support object oriented programming. It is going to support functional programming. That's why there is no standard format. You can type anything here. Like this we have. Sir, please confirm everyone. Is the interface is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Please respond everyone. Is the interface is clear for everyone?
Yes.
Right. Now, sir, we have to implement the first, sir. What is constraint? Constraint means conditions. Constraint means conditions. As of now, we are not giving any constraints in this programming. Okay. Suppose if they are asking the name of the length should be always greater than 0 or always greater than 1. Okay. So like that, they may give that you have to check in the program. Sir, now first I will go with implementation, sir. So in 3 languages, we have to implement this code. Sir, first I will go with C language implementation. Sir, can you please implement in C language this problem? Yes, we have to select the C language. Then you have to type the program, sir. Sir, how to do the program? With my knowledge, I'm going to write the program. Have a look once. Sir, very simple. Character name of 20 I am giving. Means what? I am declaring one character array. So character array in C language is considered as a string. So we have to read this string from the user. Do you know in C language, %d is used to read integer, %f to read floating point value, %c is used to read character, %s is used to read the string. Now I want to read string, right? So I will take %s, scanf, %s, comma, name. No need to give ampersand symbol. Okay, automatically it will write. Sir, I declared one variable to store the name and I accepted the name from the user. Don't give any printf, enter any username like that, because you can see in the highlighted whatever they are giving.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother you, sir. Sorry for interrupting. Can you magnify the screen size, please, so we can see the whatever you are typing more bolder there?
Is it okay now?
Yeah, that's much better, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, right, sir. Thank you. Yeah, right. Now you can see. Sir, here just I declared one character name of 20. So it is nothing but the declaration. And here we are going to read. Don't give any printf like that, because in the input, whatever they are giving, we have to scan as it is. It is not having any interface messages. Please make sure. In all your coding rounds, you have to write code like this only. Maybe while studying in the college, even when I am explaining my classes, I will write a program like this. If you want, you can see my Java program is like this. Enter a value, then I will read. But don't use this statement while solving the coding challenges in the Hacker Rank or Hacker Earth or any other coding challenge website, because they won't entertain these kind of things. They will read only number. So in the input itself, they have given, we have to read a name. According to that, you have to write. Remember that. Sir, I accepted the name. Then what is their requirement? So they need to print the message. What message? Welcome. Okay, they need to print the message like welcome %yes, comma. I'm going to print the name, because welcome is the message that is common. After that, space is required. Then whatever name that you accepted, I am printing only 3 lines of code. Now I need to check whether this program is correct or not. I will run the code. So still the code is not yet submitted. So there is some 3 test cases we have displayed, right? So input case 0, case 1, case 2. Sir, these 3 test cases are failed. This program is not correct. You can see your output is welcome admin. Expected output is also welcome admin. What is the difference? Sir, W in your program, it is capital letter, but in the expected output, it is small letter. Try to change that. Now, is it going to run? Sir, first case is working. Second test case is also working. Third test case is not working because your input is Prakash Babu. It is taking only Prakash. It is not taking Babu. Sir, why? In C language, %yes will stop reading the data whenever a space is encountered. Whenever a space is encountered. Sir, how to overcome that? Within square brackets, just you can give cap of /n. Sir, I am neglecting new line character. I mean, until getting new line character, read the data. Except new line character, if anything comes, read the data. Sir, when new line will come? When the control goes to the next line. So this is a small enhancement you have to do. Sir, where we need to do? Not at the time of printing, at the time of reading. So this line is going to read a string, including spaces. If you remove this, it will read the line excluding spaces. Okay, that's all, sir. Now try to run the code. Check whether test case 2 is passing. Perfectly 3 test cases are passed. Now your code is correct. But still some test cases are there. Just submit your code and cross check whether those test cases are working or not. Yes, sir, submitted few seconds ago. Score is 1. For every program, I have given 1 point, sir. Out of 350, at least if you are getting 325 plus marks out of 350, make sure that you will become perfect in coding. You can able to solve any problem, sir. That assurance I can give. But do you know, at a very initial stage, students will practice. But once if our course is about to reach end, so slowly they are going to reduce solving the problems. But don't be like that. Try to start coding from the day one itself. Okay, so that's why in these 5 or 6 weekends, if you put all your efforts, so you can able to get this. So in the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I am taking the class. Suppose consider in these 2 sessions, I have covered some 30 programs. Then what we have to do? What you have to do? So Monday to Friday, try to divide these programs. Per day 5 programs or per day 6 programs, like that try to solve. Before coming to the next class, whatever programs I covered, if you are solving and trying to get the next concepts also very clear. So I request everyone to please follow. If you are willing to continue in this batch, for them I am taking. So this is nothing but the program what we have, sir. Sir, complete implementation in C language is clear. So once if the course is completed, you can take the printout of this document. I will share this PDF file. you can take the printout and keep with you. So whenever you are going for the interview, especially technical, you highlight the difficult problems in the highlighter. Okay. So try to refer these ones before going for the interview. Especially I'm talking about the students who are studying BTech or degree or MCA like that. Okay. Right. Sir, please confirm everyone. Is this a C language implementation? Is it clear? Do you have any doubts?
Sir, can we use string directly? String name instead of character name?
No, in C language, we don't have string data type. We have characters only.
Okay, sir.
But can I use /n only?
Hmm.
Can I use /n only?
I'm not getting you, sir. Can I use
New
/n?
line.
No. Cap means what? It is opposite for /. That means until getting /n, you have to read. That is the meaning.
Sir, I'm not getting this.
No, you are talking about /n, right?
Yes.
Compulsory you have to use. /n means what? New line character.
Yes, but
Until
cap.
getting new line character, you have to read. So opposite for this new line character, I'm using cap. Cap means what? Except new line character, everything will be accepted. The people who are coming from regular expressions, if you have idea about RE, then you can able to get this knowledge.
Okay.
So /n, cap of /n means what? Except this new line character, everything will be accepted. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, please confirm everyone. Clear up to this?
Sir, in the same way, are you going to explain in Python also?
Yes.
Okay. So we don't need any console. So we can directly log into the website and then practice ourselves.
Yes, you can use this link and you can practice.
Okay.
Right. So let us go for the next one. What we have, I need to implement this code in Java. So let us go for Java implementation. How to solve this problem in Java? Sir, we have to select Java. Again, go to problem. So select the programming language as a Java. Sir, everything they have provided. Just you have to write your code. That's all.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, in the C code, why the main is returning int?
Because that is the C language format, sir. In C language, main function return type is always integer, sir. Actually, it was developed in Unix or Linux operating system. So that operating system will expect signal from the program, sir. If the program executed successfully or not, we have to return some value. So that's why the return type for the main method in C and C++, it is integer. Okay,
And
that
why
is a
the
standard
return
format.
is 0? Why the return is 0 as well?
Anything we can return, sir. Any integer value. It can be either 0 or 1. But just they have given the template like that. Okay.
Okay, sir, got it. Thanks.
Right. And coming to Java, I think you know this format very well. Just we have to prepare the code now. Sir, if I want to read data from the user, you know, we have to depend on scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to, I'm taking new scanner, from where you need to accept system.in. We are accepting from the input device. Whatever data we are accepting, that we have to store it in a variable. In Java, we have string data type. See, string object is there. String s is equal to, or string name is equal to obj dot. There is one method is there called next. What is the purpose of next? It will read a string from the user. Then what we have to do? System.out.println of, we have to print welcome followed by space and plus name, because plus is the concatenation operator used in Java. Now welcome message will be printed, one space will be given, and whatever name that you have assigned to this, that will be printed. Who is responsible to supply data for this? Automatically, once if you run that backend will take care. Now I'm running the code. Sir, you can see as usual, like C language, test case 0 is clear, test case 1 is cleared, but test case 2, same problem is coming. Because in Java, the method next is going to read only one word, sir. Whenever a space is coming, it will stop reading the data. But alternatively, we have one more method is there, which will read including spaces. Anyone having idea about that method, please confirm.
Line. Sir,
Yes.
next line.
Good. Yes. We have to take next line since it is a Java line. L starts with capital letter because next word. That's all, sir. Now you can run the code. So 3 test cases are working and submit the code. Sir, do you know here, if you want to get your score as a 1 point, no need to do this program in all the 3 languages. You can do in any one language. That is sufficient. But just for your convenient purpose, I am telling in all the languages. So to get more core idea. Okay. So if you have predefined libraries, how you can solve. If you don't have any predefined library in C language, how you can do. So that the entire language level concept I am trying to explain. But you can do in any one programming language, whether you are doing in C or Java or Python, that is completely your wish. So if you solve in one programming language, automatically your score will be 1 point. Okay. Sir, now this is nothing but the Java code what we have. Please confirm, is this Java code is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, please choose any 2 language, sir.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir. We have to implement in all the languages. C, Java and Python. So whatever you require, you can capture. Rest of the things, just you can watch. That's all. Okay. Because our syllabus is framed like that.
So, but the C is used. I mean, in nowadays the C language
No,
is used very
no,
early, right?
no. Don't use such a type of words because so there are some problems. Suppose assume if you want to improve your logical skills, my sincere suggestion is you have to do that program in C. So there you can get minute points. Okay, you will see that in our upcoming classes. Okay, you are going to enjoy those things. You can same feedback you want to give at the end of these classes. Because in the C language, how the logic is going to be implemented, that entire concept you are going to see. Suppose consider I have a problem is there. I want to convert lowercase characters into uppercase. What we will do in Java? Simply we will read a name and we will write a dot to uppercase. In Python also we will use upper. So how to implement that in C language? We don't have any 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase methods. We have to write the code manually. If you understand that logic, same thing you can do it in Java and Python also. So that kind of knowledge you are going to get from that. But don't do the programs in C. Just when I am explaining, try to concentrate. That's all. Got it, sir?
And it is said also that C is the mother of all the languages.
Yeah, definitely.
Programming languages. Yeah.
Yes. From the C only we are learning all these things. The syntaxes almost came from the C only, sir, this Java. And you can't imagine C++ is a very important programming language and it is trending now.
And in deep learning also C++ is being used.
Yes. Not only
OpenCV, deep learning,
yeah.
artificial intelligence. Yeah.
Yes. Not only in this, sir, even in the electronics domain also they are using these in embedded, all these
Embedded.
things.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Right.
So Python is like ready to eat.
Yes.
So we have to
Yes.
just modify and then we can start consuming.
Yes. But as a programmer, we should be in good in all these, right? From starting to ending, if you are very clear, then you will get confident, sir. That's all. You won't fear when you are seeing any new things. Okay. Right.
Yeah, but it is very difficult to switch over between Java and Python, right? I mean, until unless we work on both the languages on daily basis?
Initially, I felt the same, but after taking these many batches, this is 14th batch, right? After completion of these 13 batches, by closing my eyes, I will type the program in any programming language. So I'm expecting same thing from you. You won't feel any difficulty in the languages, like confusion. You won't feel once if you complete this logic-based programming. So strict to one programming language, but enjoy the remaining two explanations from my side. Okay. And some people are telling if you tell in Python, all will learn Python only, sir, because it is easy coding. 100%. My highest ratio from logic-based programming to Python will be there. Okay. Right. Let's try to implement this in Python, sir.
But it is also tempting me to learn Java now.
Even my favorite programming language is Java, sir. So today, do you know, I have taken one weekend batch today. You can't imagine how much interest the people are going to show. Have a look once. 2 hour 58 minutes. 2 hours 58 minutes. Almost 3 hours from morning 7 o'clock to 10:30. So the people are listening like anything. They are giving so many suggestions. So they are giving so many questions. Like today class I enjoyed. I have explained some new examples. Okay. So learning Java and teaching Java is very good, sir, actually, when compared with other programming languages. Yeah, right. That is weekend batch, sir. Already it is started. It is about to end. Yeah. Sir, when you will give the recorded lecture link? No, this today demo and tomorrow these two videos will be there in the YouTube. Okay. So rest of the things we will provide. I mean, including this from the next week, we will share anyway. Don't worry. Monday evening, Sachin Srivastav. Oh, he is my student. Sachin. Very good. Right. Can you take Java 8 features? Yes, Java features I'm going to take. Right. Sir, now let us convert this into Python, sir. Now see how to implement in Python. Sir, first, there is no declaration because Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Based on provided value, automatically type will be considered. That's why, so string name, such a type of terminology is not there. Directly you can take name. Name is equal to, there is one function is there called input. Automatically, it will read the data in the form of string. And we are going to print welcome. Even common name you can give. Sir, you have not given any space. No problem. Even if you are not giving the space, it will take the space by default. So one item, comma second item, in between space will be there. 3 test cases are working. Still we can simplify. How many times we are using name in your program? Only one time. In such cases, you can substitute directly. That's all. Now run the code. Perfectly working and submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are working. So how many lines of code we have taken in Python? Only one line. Right. Sir, clear up to this?
Sir, can you go to that input like test cases? Test cases.
You need to see all the test cases, huh?
Yeah, this one. Okay. So that input, right? That is automatically.
Yes, accepting the
website
spaces.
will provide. We don't have to give.
Which one, sir?
Yes.
Input you are telling you about input, right? That
Yes.
will be given automatically.
Let's
Sir,
say
already I have given input and parallelly for that input, what output it is going to come, I have already given. Just your task is you have to provide the program. So when you submit, it will give the input and it will check whether my given output and you, when you are returning something from your code, is it the same or not, it will cross check. If it is the same, it will give point. That's all.
Sir, can you show me where you have given that input? Prakash, let's say input one.
That I will explain later, sir. That customization page I will give later.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Clear? You can see in the submission, just a minute ago, I submitted Python, Java, C. So you can use any one language, that is sufficient. But if you want, just as a trainer, I need to explain all these, right? That's why I'm taking like this. Got it? Sir, clear about this first program? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right. Sir,
Sir,
do one thing.
Sir, just for the benefit of the time,
Hmm.
so I would like to go for, I mean, I'm just asking your opinion, so that I can go for recording class, I mean, later in the class, so that I can directly go to Python, and then so that instead of 2.5 hours, I can
Yeah,
finish it
no
in 1 hour,
problem.
right?
No
Okay.
problem. You can go back.
Okay. So if you have any doubts, we can always log into the next class and then ask,
Yeah,
right?
you can ask in the next class, or I will provide my WhatsApp number. We will create a group. So when you
Okay.
are studying the video at any time, no problem, sir. When you are getting any question, so you can put it on my personal WhatsApp number. I will share. Just you can take the image of that screen. You can send it to me in WhatsApp, or you can send a voice message, or you can type and you can send. So my mother tongue is Telugu. Some people can communicate with me in the Telugu. No problem. So whenever I get a time, I will respond to that message and you can clarify your doubts.
Oh,
So
thank
you
you,
know
sir.
Hindi?
You are really handholding everybody.
Yeah.
You know Hindi?
Oh, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Java 8, 9, 11 features. Ramesh, I'm not going to cover all the features. I mean, every feature in detail we are not going to see. Whatever things are required for the programmers. In every version Java, they are going to release some main features like Lambda expressions, interface related features like that. So string related and switch case related. Those top features I'm going to cover, not all patches. Got it, Ramesh? That is there
Yeah.
in my core Java syllabus.
But yeah. But are you going to take a separate batch for this? Can you take a separate batch for this?
No, sir. No, sir. That will be included in my syllabus. Right. So here I'm going to share this link for you. Okay, in the chat window, just to practice whenever you have a time. Okay, before coming to the next class. Anyway, rest of the things we will continue tomorrow, sir. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to see few more programs. I shared this link in the chat window. We have around 10 programs are there. Yeah, I shared. Just it is simple, sir. Hacker rank www.hackerrank.com/LBP logic based programming test test.
Sir,
Hmm.
for how long these problems will be available with us on HackerRank?
It will be available lifelong, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Even when you are getting these doubts after 1 year also, you can ping me. No worries at all. Yeah, good evening. Can you please speak louder, Mohit?
So video lecture. Video lecture.
A video lecture they will upload. Once if the session got completed, they will upload.
No,
in
but
the
how
YouTube.
long it will be remain actually?
6 months. 6 months. 6 months.
6 months. 6 plus 1. Okay. 6
Yeah.
months only. Okay, fine.
From
So
the
you are
date
going
of
to
your
start from the
registration.
next Saturday, right?
Yeah, the regular class will be there from the next Saturday, starting from the first program. Of course, here itself I explained first program. I think not required for the next class. So I will start first program. Already today I explained, right? So I will copy paste that code. And the second
Okay,
program
fine.
I will start. Third program I will start. Like that continuously I will go. Tomorrow I'm going to cover these two programs. Like randomly I'm picking up for the demo because these programs are simple programs. In the demo I won't explain like this. Then you people are going to feel it is a very basic.
Sir, how to search, let's say, P004 program?
Just you can find P004. Automatically will get it.
No, I mean to say in the hacker website.
No, it will be there in the sequence.
But it is
The
not there in the.
no. This is the demo session, sir, actually. Okay, so just I uploaded only 10 questions. That's all. In this page, only 10 questions are there.
Okay.
So I will share some separate link. Once if our regular classes got started, I will share. This is the link. You can see 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4, 5.
okay,
Like that,
okay.
we will have up to every program will be uploaded on the sequence basis. Okay.
This demo program we are opening or not?
Yeah, just these demo programs you can practice, sir. Only for today and tomorrow it will work. That's all. So this link I'm going to remove from the Monday onwards. So anyway, after our regular classes started, we will give the original link. There everything will be there. Got it?
Okay.
But sir, why are you remove sir this link, sir? Because we have to practice daily basis.
No, that's what I'm telling. I'm not getting your question. We are going to create a separate link for our batch. Got it?
Okay.
So in that, from the program number 1 to program number 350, every program will be there. But at a time, I'm not going to add all the programs. Step by step, we will add. Maybe for the next week, when we are starting with the first program, I will upload 30 programs. We will practice some programs on Saturday. While coming to the Sunday, you can review for the remaining programs or you can practice. Like that, I will add slowly 30 programs, 40 programs like that.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, right. So thank you. We will meet for the continuation in the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is also demo, same timings with the same link. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Thank you.